Okay, this is State of Things, Talk 6, the VSCP protocol, and the state of things there. I'm rather excited today because on the Windows platform we now have WebSocket support. So I'm sure this is something you will see a lot of in the future. We'll have a lot of widgets that do WebSocket support, but remember where you saw it first. So I wanted to show you that, and it's the old LED digit widget you saw before, but now it is connected to the VSCP daemon, and it looks like this. You see here that we have a connection, and it's on port 7681, and you see the counter is counting up. Okay, this is not much you can say, but it is because what we do here is when we open this page, it opens a connection, a WebSocket connection to the server, to the VSCP server, and that connection then feeds the digits we see here. You see a button here also. If I press that button, it sends a reset command to the server. And what I do here is sending a command to the server, and it resets things. At the moment, what we do here is just counting. It just counts. It's a test protocol, which is common on WebSocket tests. I have implemented all these tests, so it is easy for people that want to test just the WebSocket functionality to do so. But there are other possibilities, of course, and the thing with this is that instead of just this counting messages, we will of course get events in the future, and this will be like this. When you set up a WebSocket interface with a daemon, you say we can say it like this. You set up a filter. I'm interested in this kind of events and nothing else. So if something like this comes in, send it to me, and they will get through on the channel. So if you want to have a temperature widget, you say you're interested in temperatures for that widget, and you will get the temperature widget events for it. For a button, it can be a bit more complex. What you're interested in there are one or several response events, and you send one event out, turn on, for example, or turn off. But then you want to get a few back. One is the simplest case. You send a turn on and get an on event back. That's easy. Turn on what you should turn on in the user interface. But I can also be dependent on several, and that will be some JavaScript to handle that also. So you can set, what you do is for the widget, you set the server, the port. You must have some username and password things also. It's SSL also a possibility here, so it can be more complex. And then you specify events you send and a table of responses, events you expect to have in response, and they can be ANDed together or together to get the response. You'll see more of that in the future. But Okay, I sit here alone and program stuff like this, but I'm rather excited at the moment, and it's been quite hard work to implement this. But now it's in place, and this is sort of a dream for me. So we now have WebSocket interface on the Windows version at least, and still have to do the Linux version. Before I say goodnight, I will go to sleep soon. Now I will show you the buttons I showed on the last talk also, and we have them here, but I put them out on a background now, so to get a little more feeling of how they used. And as you see here, you can have the widgets on other areas on a floor plan as you have here, and you can have a temperature widget here, or just some text that shows the actual temperature. So if I want to turn on lights in the living room, I click on them, and they will turn on lights. With the WebSocket interface, each of these can talk directly to the VSCP daemon, and we have a very low overhead connection. Okay, that's all for today. I'm happy. I hope all of you are happy. So bye bye for today. Bye.